Hello everyone, today we are trying a Minecraft mod pack called what's it called? Okay, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I had to reduce all my settings, so if you hate my settings because my PC is not really suited for this kind of mod. How much do I have to chop this bro? Okay there. Okay, that was a good plan, actually. What is total energy stored? What do you mean total energy stored? I try. Okay, the cafe. I just walked around by the way, like we're trying to trying to start this video. If this buzz, I'm gonna be so sad. I need to find a good place actually. And I disabled fall damage. Call me a pussy if you want, but it's the way I play, and I can't stop playing with it. So no water bucket release. I don't know what total energy stored means, so I'm just gonna skip over it. Yes, common. Okay, I'm lagging so much that I like have to take a second before so it's gonna be bad. Need new specs. I think stored means like it's new. I don't really know actually. Oh, it is my skin. LOL. If you don't know what's my skin, it's alien elite from the game taken. I hope this even get I hope this doesn't get taken down because I'm just using that skin. Why do we need the pebble? Can I throw it? Oh I can. And I wasted it. Oh wait, no. There's no like I was like, okay, what's this? Sapphire. Can I break it with a sapphire? Hello? I cannot. I cannot. Oh my god, bro. Let's try to get some. Like, what? Where did this come from? Tech Reborn. We have a shield already, actually? Super info. While it is often press keybind to play to posture break and upon electricity down. What's posture break? Okay, so we need to make an axe for cutting down log. Oh, I just crafted a wood one. So sad. It's an uncommon. Okay, makes sense. Mine's up already. Say I did not hack this in. If you play the mod, you'll see that this is in game. I did not spawn in this tool. I'm begging you, do not ask. Let's use this one. But oh, it's called Promenade. Promenade? So I don't know. Let me to read my description. As a framework, we are created and sent by Sculak to display the overworld. With important purpose, you must seek answers for. Questing. Click me and read my description. I'm going to find the Apple side. Apple. Okay. Rewards. Ooh, click me and read my. The quest book is really important in prominent. I don't know how to pronounce it, and will guide you through the game's progression. To easily ask the question, you can click the book icon on the top of the inventory. When you open a quest, the left side shows the what tasks you need to do to finish the quest. And then the right side shows what quest you'll get and what rewards you'll get. How to do chapters. To open a quest after screen. Use the video. So I need to get at least one. Do I need to get one of everything? I don't know. By the way, I hope this doesn't get taken down, but I'm using like legacy launcher because I'm too broke. Sorry. I, oh my god, I cannot, okay. Pro tips. I need a shovel. I want to get it off my chest, by the way. If you're wondering why I haven't been uploading, it's because my dad is not here, but I'm trying to learn how to, my dad it's not here, so I don't know how to like, but he knows how to edit, but not really me. So if this has like not really good editing, blame me. That was my brother. What did I crafted a sword. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I forgot I already have a sword. Support the developers, by the way. Oh my god, I just went to the underground. Oh, shoot! Yo, what's this? Zinc? Oh, I tried the create mod, by the way. So I know. Man, I was helpful, but. Ow, that hurt. What's this? Oh yeah, the thumbnail, I don't know. I will figure it out. It might take a while. Might take a while to find out how to make a good thumbnail for this. Try for try Forsaken, by the way. It's where my avatar comes from, and it's really fire game. If you play Forsaken, good for you. Yeah. My brother can come along and do whatever he wants actually. So if you hear him, say hi to him. Can you hear can if you can hear the if you can hear it, just comment in the video. Yeah, I said you said really subscribe, bro. Yeah. I just The only reason I'm doing this because it because I have 104 days and some of the oh wait, not really 104 days, but I am in somewhere and I don't know what to do with my life. So I'm just doing this as a hobby. If you s- if I haven't posted for like a week, that's me being lazy. So like don't mind. We're all also for some reason like my mom spent time with me. I am 10 years old, by the way, but it's yeah. If you're wondering why I haven't been posting with, I really said that. Oh, iron! Already, yippee! Ah, no, don't do that. There might be a lot of people spamming. You try. Never mind. Yeah, but it's like, do whatever you want in the comments. You could give me tips, advices, or hate comments. If you want to hate on me, tell me what I did wrong so that I could, improve. Oh my god, bro, what's happening, bro? I'm gonna search it up later. I'm gonna try to fix it. Or is it just like the mod? Like maybe you need to break many times, but it just goes like that. Where's my crafting table? Okay, I'm just gonna. I'm lagging. Oh, there it is. Okay, let's make a furnace. Nope, never mind. Yes! It stays there? What's this flint? Flint and steel. And I want to, oh wait, no. Okay, bro, wait, this is a video, bro. I have to censor that. Yeah, something like that. I will search it up. Because what's bewilderment? Bewitcherment. There's some, it is a mod pack, so it's like, I don't really care. Huh? Huh? I don't know. I don't know what you're saying actually, so don't. That's redstone. That kind of looks like redstone. Nope, that's lignite coal ore. That is not coal ore. It's lignite coal. I'm gonna. You're wondering why I just come out of nowhere? Wondering, huh? Empower your corrupted race ability, but send the matters in the. What do you mean current matters? So take 10 actually government houses. Gliders start consuming you, making you take 15. Okay, I am not gonna do that. It sounds bad. I don't. Okay. What's this? Pizza. I believe there is. Oh, wait, I'm going to get. It just turns into the bread in for Minecraft. Okay. What's this? Tin ore. Tin ore. I love tin ore. Need an app. Now that's 6 stops. 3, 4, 5, 6 bang. There we go. All the trees have been destroyed. I don't know what energy means to get a maple. 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 If my editing, I keep repeating myself. And then what I'm just trying to say is, this is not my first time editing a video. So if it's really bad, blame me. You're wondering why I just came out of nowhere and came out of nowhere and just what the. Wondering why I came out of nowhere and just like made a video. It's because there's a YouTuber called Willy Sork. He makes Deltarune based animations and I really like them. And then he's playing this kind of mod, so I'm like, why don't I try it too? Because I have Minecraft. Not really Minecraft, but you get me. If you will avoid me to the police, I don't know actually, and the hotel. What kind of tree is that? How much cap will let that take? Let's see. I am not gonna cut it down. I'm just gonna check this thing up there. I cannot distinguish it because they look so similar. 11 chops. That's a lot of chops. What's this? Mossy stone? Stone? What's this? Moss? This! I don't know why I collected moss. Apricot. Wait, don't they have that in like... Was it Cobblemon? No. Ghost normally this season. Wait, so can't I just like, oh wait, where's the quest? Does apricot count as a fruit? No, I think it does not. It looks for a good place for a base. I love the maple, so what's this? What? What's happening? I don't like TBA. It's kind of like the song is battleground. It's like, one, two, three. Like two sleeves with something in them. A butterfly! Wow! I pressed F2. What's happening? Oh, just took a picture and the audio's removed. What's this? Copper ore, you don't need copper. Oh, coal. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Why am I lagging? Okay, then, back up. If we hear, I forgot his name. Like, I disabled the audio. Wow, wow. What's that? It's just a light. What's this? Mhm. This must be a sign. What does it mean? 2,000 blocks. Let's go there. If it's a village, I'm gonna live there. If it's not, if it's like some sort of boss that I'm not ready for, I'm so cooked. Ooh, lava. What's that? Oh wait, I got it the wrong way. Oh, it's chicken. Wait, lava. Lava. Chicken. Yeah. Oh, it's a duck. I thought it was a chicken. It's a duck. Sorry, guys. Uh, where was I going? I think I was going here. That was chicken. If it really dropped chicken meat, I'll be surprised. I love how this one just turned into the Minecraft bed texture. Yum. Very tasty, yeah. I don't want to live inside a cave because, caves are, caves look like, I'm not trying to replicate that Easy Story channel, Easy Gaming channel, whatever. If you know them, good job. You're like me. But that's not, no, that's copper. Do I need 10 ore? Maybe I do. Maybe I need, maybe, did it not drop? Did I need, what? Yeah, that's wrong. It's rotten. A 5060. The system kind of looks like, what does V do? What's that? Looks like a toad store. I don't know what it is. It's spoiling. Hope it doesn't. Well, I need a good place because this is like, I don't know how to explain it. And this grass is tripping me up. Oh, why am I lagging? Ooh, snowy mountain biome. Julio. Let's check my quest book to see if I need to make anything. Oh, we forged. So this rare because it has like 15 durability and 1 reach. Oh. My son doesn't have because, oh, it's suit, it's turning night. And when it's night, Five Nights at Freddy's. I don't wanna be with Five Nights at I don't know the song. So if I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments. But let's not bad. Oh my, I think I just know this version. I forgot. I need like a good place, bro. If you skip the part and you don't know why I'm surviving this, it's oh. I turned the fall damage. Call me a pussy, but I don't do it. I might also cancel the P word. But Apple 360. Oh god, I said E. What's this? Oranges? What is that available on the quest book? Yay, 2 XP. Oh, another 2 XP. Levels. Chest. A chest is upgradable. What? How to reforge? Oh, I need. It's an anvil. Anvils are. What's oh? I'm not in multiplayer leveling up. Oh, okay. Talents. And what's this? I'm more of a. I like fire. Wait, can you only do one? You only have 32 talent points. Oh my god. Well, well, how do you do like? I need the wool and the food. Can you do critical hits? It's nighttime and I can do the critical thing. It's also nighttime IRL. How much? Yes, I have 4. I can make a bed. How do I? So wait. I don't get what is total energy stored. I have so much maple. What's this? Golden ingot blank copper. You could upgrade chest backpack. Oh my god, is it a moo bloom? Was I hallucinating or did I saw a spider? Oh my god, that's a moo bloom. Oh, I don't wanna kill you. Wait, do you drop like? I just gotta know. I'm so sorry. What did you drop? Raw beef. I am so sorry. I'm not. I keep hallucinating. I keep saying like things that are not there. One in the game. One, two. Oh god, that's a skeleton, right? Guys, bad news, but didn't work. So if it might crash all the time, so like don't mind it. If if the screen suddenly turns black, I probably forgot to edit it out, but there's the black screen that I'll keep, okay? Last because Minecraft keeps crashing and stuff. I'm not yet able. I don't want to show my camera yet. I will do it in like a future episode. Okay, let's wait. Okay, game crash. Game crash. So like, hitting mo naman do. I need to check my. Hello? Oh. Baka be quiet. Baka be quiet, please. I'm just gonna do the basic. Where's my wool? I have wool. I remember getting wool. No wool. I remember. Remember something? Did I just had wool? No wool. Bye. Should I get a white sleeping bag? Should I get a bed? Does this come from Sleep Tight? Wait, didn't I just got that achievement? Ah, that's a move. Why you have this birch? Yeah. The amount of effort, the whoa. I'm on fire. See that? I don't I don't know it's a good place to put my to put my base. It's not a good place. This could be the good no, never mind. Let's do that first clear. Oh, look at another sign. Why is this here? Whoa, where am I? Where am I? Afterlife? Oh, oh, oh! Okay, this maple. Oh, okay, let's. Okay, PA. Okay, let's just make it here. There. Let's make it here. My inventory is really clogged. Wait, where's my plank? Oh. We need more though. How much is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time to cut down more trees. Don't mind my brother, he's two, three, four, five. I just need one more. You have to be joking, kidding me. Can you skip this? I want to see what it looks like. Oh, they look pretty good. I need to change the armor. Auto jump. What's this? Sorry, that was my phone. This fiend, 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 fiend. Create! My create! No barrel. What? Jade? Why is Jade in the top right? Okay, we are moving you. I need to move you, bro, because you're like the way that you are is like really annoying me. No, 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 that's slightly off, bro. That's slightly off. Yay! So now it's not bugging me. One, two, three, four, five, six. I need wood. I mean wood. I need stone. And the best place to find stone is let's get this. Lignite coal. Am I lagging? Plus I have sodium. How do you have sodium on a forge mod? I thought it was like fabric. Oh yeah, there's a fabric mod. I'm just stupid. Don't mind them. It's kind of being right. I keep thinking this is a name tag. Which one do I get? It's a rare! Nice! Instead of giving me like -5 speed, I get +5 speed. What was it? No, 3.5. How did the pebble get there? Wait, can you like, how did the pebble get in anywhere? There anyway? Well, guys, I think it's time to end the episode, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Wait, I missed some part. Wait, don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next episode, which is probably coming out, I don't know, like tomorrow? And tomorrow we'll try to finish this, and yeah, and we'll get us a proper bed, so bye bye, guys.